Okay, for the lodging the QSO, you can put this. You can put the call sign in this field, like I do. So I put your call sign, your call in this field. Then I go to the button log QSO. Okay. Just if you see this screen, you can go to the button log dash QSL. You will open this page. Then you can go to logbook, and you will see the next page. Then you can put the any call sign, any call you have contacted on the time. Then go to log QSO. So I put your call sign in the field. Then I clicked to log QSO. I have your name and location. Then I click again to log QSO, and the contact has been lodged on your logbook. So that's the story. And to send any QSL, you can click on S, and then of course choose your card. Okay, that's to send. Click the send button here. With the rules of the program, of the contacts here on Hamsphere, you have to create your own QSL card. So QSL card is the confirmation of the contact. Here we're using on the Hamradio. So you can go to your Hamsphere account, click on the QSL card edit. So here I just clicked. Here you can upload your any image, and then you can add any contact details on the image. So I uploaded my new image. So it's a card, it's a QSL card, and then I put some QSO details on it. So I click on the number, and then put it on the needed location, needed point on the image. So then you can click to save, and you will it will shows you the QSL card. So QSL card saved. Okay. So when your card is saved, you can preview it. So you will see how your contact data has been shown on your image. So I made this card by the Macromedia Fireworks. and put needed contact data on it, and then I have see how my opponent will see it on his screen. So that's the way to QSL. Then if you need to send the QSL, you can go to logbook and then click to send. Of course, you can choose your image and then put something here if you would like, of course, and then preview, so it will show your data with the image on it, and just click send. So the QSL card is sent now.